Now it look very generic. Like many people are telling you that Joe, go join the Facebook group and just start helping people out there. But here is a catch. This is a very new approach. What I am going to do, I am going to do it in a little bit different manner. If you are struggling to get the content ideas to post on your social media and also not able to generate leads for your coaching or consulting business, then watch this video till the end, because in today's video I am going to share with you the content strategy in which you can actually not only get the content ideas, but also you will be able to get a lot of eyeballs on your content. You have to you write it once and you can use it multiple places to start getting attention of the people across the internet. So let's just see that what this strategy is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I'm a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels so that you can build and grow your digital coaching and consulting business, and together we can achieve our dream of living the life of freedom and abundance. So let's just see that what this strategy is all about. Okay, so I'm going to actually build this mind map in front of you. The mind map is still not ready. I am going to do it live in front of you. So basically what this strategy is look like. So first thing is that I'm just want to set the context right for you. So uh, being a coach and being a consultant, when you are using social media to generate leads for your business, you may be a career coach, you may be a business coach, you may be a health coach, you may be a mindset coach. Okay, so it could be anything, but when you are a coach, you are generating leads from the social media, from the internet. You need to also need to create content, and so that you can get the attention of the people. And it happens with a lot of people that they are not able to come up with the right content ideas, and they are not able to get the lot of leads with the help of their content. And many people just keep posting random content on the internet, but they see no traction. So what is the solution of this particular problem? There could be the chances the content that you are creating is actually something which people don't need. Okay, the idea that you come up with may be the idea which is actually not needed in the market, or maybe the people actually are not very interested in the topic. So what you need to do, what you can do, this strategy will going to solve this problem for you. So what you will do, the first thing is very generic, that many people will tell you that okay, just go and join the groups. Okay, so on the Facebook, what you are going to do, the first step would be, let me just build it up here. So the first step would be, what you will do, you will go to Facebook, and or I would say you will go and join the facebook facebook groups. Okay, this is the first step. You will go and join the Facebook groups. So just go and join the relevant Facebook group where your dream customers, where your target audience is hanging out, they are spending their time, they are asking questions. Okay, join those kind of groups. So this is the first step that you will follow. Okay, and now once you have joined those groups, basically what you can do, you can go to the Facebook and search for these kind of groups. Okay, on the Facebook, on the search bar, you will go type the keyword. And if you are a suppose if you are a weight loss coach. Okay, you help people to lose weight, so you will go type on the Facebook uh, weight loss. Okay, you will type weight loss, and you will see, and you will click on groups, and you will see like so many group suggestions. Okay, let me just show you this once. Okay, so we are now on Facebook. Now what I will do, I will go to search bar, and suppose you are a weight loss coach. So what you will type, uh, weight loss. Okay, you will type weight loss, and you will click here on groups. Okay, and you can see like weight loss group, 529 members. This is weight loss, 5.3 members. 72, weight losing weight, health, fitness tips, 72,000 members. Weight loss, health and fitness tips, tricks, USA, 11,000 members, right? So you can find many groups out there. You can see health tips for weight loss, 99k, right? So it's a huge group. Here you can see bodybuilding and weight loss, right? 313k members. So you can find few relevant groups and you can join them, okay? And once you are the part of those groups, the next step would be, what you will do, you will just go to these groups, okay? You will go to these groups and you will start like watching the questions people are asking in the group, okay? So the next step would be look for the questions, okay? Look for the questions in the group. So you have to look for the questions. This is the second step, and the third step would be very simple. You have to answer these questions with your knowledge, okay? With your knowledge, okay? So this is the third step. Now it look very generic, like many people are telling you that go join the Facebook group and just start helping people out there. But here's a catch. This is a very new approach. What I am going to do, I am going to do it in a little bit different manner. So how are you going to do it? You have to your focus should be to answer the very detailed answer the questions in a very detailed manner, okay? You will write a long but not unnecessary things, very relevant answer in a very sequential and step by step manner. If you find any question which you can solve, if a particular problem that you can solve, just try to give the as detailed answer as possible. And what it's going to do, it's going to grab the attention of a lot of people out there. When people will check out the comment, they will see this kind of long answer in a very detailed manner, which is actually going to add a lot of value for so many people out there. Because the question which was asked by one person, there could be many people who have the same questions in their mind, and when you answer them in a very detailed manner, what is going to happen, the people are going to see, and people are going to be blown away by the kind of efforts you have put there to answer the question. So the people will be like, who is this guy who is like giving such a detailed answer of this particular question? And if they actually got the value from that particular answer, they are like, they have built the instant I would say the trust with you. Like they feel, okay, this person is something who know what he's talking about. He's genuinely want to help people out there, and that is why he has given such a long answer here. So what they will do, they will go and check out your profile, okay? They will go and they will check out your profile, and if your profile is optimized very well, you will start getting leads from there, okay? So this is the first aspect of this particular strategy. But there is more, okay? This is not the ending. We are going to do a lot of things with this particular question that we got, okay? So now we got the question. Now the second part here in this particular video is getting up with the content idea. So see, now you got one content idea as well, because now this is a question that someone has asked in the group. So it means that it is a question which is coming from the market. It is not something which you are coming up from your own mind. It's something which is coming up from the market. So now it's a content idea for you. Now you got a content idea, and you can expand this idea, or you can create something around the same topic, or maybe you can just pick the same question and the answer that you have written in the group, and you can just convert it into a social media post. And if you have written a really long answer, you can even make it a blog. You can even convert it into a video. you can post it as the same written answer in the form of a post on your Facebook profile. Okay, so then the fourth step would be what you will do. You will use the same question as a content idea and and convert it into a social media post or video or blog. Okay, this is what you can do. And also you can even create a reel, a short video on the same question and answering this particular question in 1 minute in the short video. So this is also very doable. So basically what you can do, or you can even create a 1 minute reel. Okay, so 1 minute reel is also possible. So now you got one idea, one question, and this is the idea which is coming from the market, and you have already given the answer. So the content is already there. You have already created the content. Now what is the benefit of this particular thing? When you do this particular thing, what's happening? First thing is happening is on the Facebook group, you are getting the attention of the people. You became the person, a go-to person for the community members. People, because when you keep doing this particular thing, keep repeating the same particular thing again and again and again, lot of people are going to build the trust with you, and they are going to see like an expert. They are going to opt in for your lead magnets. They are going to check out your profile. They are going to send you friend request. So from there you start getting the leads. And second thing is that you are getting the content, a validated content idea which is already needed in the market, which is someone asking in the community. So now you have the content idea that you can use, that you can repurpose. You can create blog post, you can create social media post, you can create video. You have already written the answer, so content is already there. You have already created the content. You the only thing you need to repurpose it according to your social media profile, according to your social media channel, whatever maybe the platform you are going to use. And if you are using Facebook, just use the same content and make it a Facebook post, or you can just start record a real video. So this is how, and when you are going to post it on your profile, again you are going to attract, you are going to get the attention of a lot of people. And because this is a very validated question, so there are very high chances that it is going to get the much more traction than the random content idea, because this is the content idea which is coming up from someone else who is asking the question. So there are very high chances that many people will be able to relate with the question, and they will also find it very valuable. So you are leveraging the groups, and also you are using your profile. Both the things are happening here in one particular thing. So this is a very simple process that you can follow, and it will help you to start getting very powerful content ideas, and also you will start attracting the attention of the people. You will start getting leads for your funnel. So I hope that you really you find this strategy valuable. Let me know what do you think about it. If you have any question in the comment section, I will be more than happy to answer them. And also I have a free ebook in which I share the 7-step process that you can use to follow your digital coaching program. So if you are someone who want to launch your digital coaching program, you can download that. I have given the link in the first comment in the description, and also it is flashing on the screen. So just go download it, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. I have tons of videos on my channel about funnel marketing, about consulting, and also I have interviews of the experts. So just go watch them right now. You may be watching one card on the screen. Just tap it and start watching them right now. Thank you.